Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Roblox Studio and prepare your place for multiplayer testing. Click the Test tab at the top of the window to reveal testing options. Choose Team Test to run your place locally with simulated players for network behavior. Team Test launches multiple player windows on your machine to emulate client-server interactions. You can set the number of players up to 10 and choose team distribution. Use Team Test instead of Play Solo when you need to verify replicated behavior, remote events, and player collisions. Before starting Team Test, configure the simulated players and teams. Open the Test tab and set the player count between 1 and 10 to match your scenario. Choose Team Distribution by name or color to verify team-specific logic. Ensure characters are set to auto-spawn to avoid manual placement delays during tests. Verify starting positions in the workspace and use spawn locations assigned to specific teams. These steps ensure the team test accurately reflects multiplayer behavior for scripts, leaderboards, and team-based gameplay. Use the output window and studio breakpoints to diagnose issues during team test. Watch for errors and warnings that appear when multiple clients interact. Test remote events and replicated storage behavior to ensure server-client communication works correctly. Observe physics interactions, collisions, and replicated properties across simulated clients for consistency. Record logs or use print statements to compare client and server state after each run. Repeat tests with different player counts and team assignments until multiplayer behavior is stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.